Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well and good right now. I am Nikki Vanessa Shooting. Welcome to our class 21st Century Literature, second quarter, week 2. Today, we will be discussing about Asian literature Singaporean. We have here the learning objectives. Compare and contrast the various 21st century literary genres and their elements, structures, and traditions from across the globe. The literature of Singapore comprises a collection of literary works by Singaporeans in any of the country's four main languages. We have the English, Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. A number of Singaporean writers such as Tan Swie Hian and Koh Pao Kun have contributed work in more than one language. In the late 1990s, poetry in English in Singapore found a new momentum with a whole new generation of poets born around or after 1965 now actively writing and publishing, not only in Singapore but also internationally. With the independence of Singapore in 1965, a new wave of Singapore writing emerged, led by Edwin Thumboo, Arthur Yap, Robert Yu, Gong Po Sing, Lee Chiu Peng, and Sanjam Nair. Poetry is the predominant mode of expression. It has a small but respectable following since independence. The most published work of Singapore writing in English have been in poetry. Drama in English found expression in Gu Po Sing, who was also a notable poet and novelist, and Robert Yu, author of 6 plays, and Koh Pao Kun, who also wrote in Chinese. The late Koh was a vital force in the local theater renaissance in 1980s and 1990s. Fiction writing in English did not start in earnest until after independence. Short stories flourished as a literary form. The novel arrived much later. Gu Po Sing remains a pioneer in writing novels well before many of later generations, with titles like If We Dream Too Long, 1972, widely recognized as the first true Singaporean novel, A Dance of Months, during 1995. We have here this story by Catherine Lim. This is the stories of Singapore. So, the title of this story is The Taximan's Story. So, let us read the story. Take me to the National University of Singapore. Please make it fast, cause I got meeting to attend and I need to be there on time. Very good, madam. Sure, I will take you there in plenty good time for your meeting, madam. This way, better. Less traffic, less car jams. Half hour should make it, madam, so not to worry. Taximan for a long time. What did you say, madam? I said, have you been taximan for a long time? Ha ha ha, yes. I've been taximan for 20 years now, madam. A long time ago, Singapore, not like this. So crowded, so busy. Last time, more peaceful, not so much taximan or so much cars and buses. Oh, you must be working so hard. Yes, madam. I can make a living. So, what to do? I must work hard if we want to success in Singapore. People like us, no education, no capital for business, We must we to earn money for wife and children. Do you have a big family? Yes, madam. Quiet, big family. 8 children, 6 sons, two daughters. It is a big family. Ha ha ha. No good, madam. In those days, we got family planning in Singapore. People born many children every year. One child is no good at all. 2 children, 3 children enough. Stop. Our government says stop. Lucky for me, all my children big now. 4 of my sons working, one a businessman, 2 clerks, one of the teacher in primary school, one in national service, one still schooling, and my eldest daughter, she is 20 plus, stay at home, help the mother. Is your daughter already married? No, not yet. Not ready. Not married yet. Very shy, and her health not so good. But a kid, obedient girl. My other girl, oh madam, very hard for father when daughter is no good and no against her parents. Very sad, like punishment from God. Today, young people not like us when we were young. We obey. Our parents say don't do this and we never do. Otherwise, they cane. The father caned me. I was big enough to be married and I still got cunning. My father, he was a very strict and he is good thing for parents to be strict. If not, young boys and girls become very useless. Do not want to study but run away and go nightclubs and take drugs and make love. You agree with me, madam? Yes, I absolutely agree with you. Today, young people, they are very trouble to their parents. Madam, you see this young girl over there outside the coffee house? See what I mean, madam? Yes, there are only schoolboys and schoolgirls, but they act as big shots, spending money, smoking, wearing latest fashion, and making love. Yeah, that's true. Even though you are just a taximan, you are aware about the behavior of the teenagers today. Madam, I know. A taximan, I know them and their habits. You are a teacher, you say? Yes. You know or not that young schoolgirls, 15, 16-year-old, they go to school in the morning in their uniforms, and then after school, they don't go home. They have clothes in their school bag, and they go to the public laboratory or hotel and change into these clothes, and they put makeup on their face. Their parents never know. They tell their mom to go to school meeting, got sports and games, this, that, but they will come out and play the fool. Madam, I see you surprised, but I know all their tricks a lot. As I take them in my taxi, they usually is bowling alley or coffee house or hotel. And they walk up and friend the European and American tourists, and this is how they make fun and also extra money. Madam, you believe or not when I tell you how much money they got? I say last night, Madam, this young girl very pretty and makeup and very sexy dress. She told me take her to the Orchid Mansions. This place famous, madam, 4th floor flat, and she opened her purse to pay me, and I say all American notes, $10 notes all, and she pull one and say keep the change as she has no time already. Madam, I tell you this every month. I got more money from these young girls and their American and European friends in my taxi. More than I got from other people who bargain and say don't want to go by meter and reading even for 10 years and 10 cents change. Some of them really make me mad. But these young girls and their boyfriends don't bargain. They just pay and make love in taxis, so they don't know if they go around and charge them by meter. Some of them don't care how much they spend in taxi. It's like this after 1 a.m. from Fair Double and I prefer working this time because naturally much more money. I go and wait outside Elroy Hotel or Thong Court or Orchid Mansions and such. Enough, madam. We'll have plenty business. Last Saturday, madam, no joking, no one day alone, I make nearly an $150. Some of it for services. Some of the tourists don't know where, so I tell them and take them there, and that's extra money. You surely know a lot of things. Ah, madam, if I tell you all, no need, no end to the story, but I will tell you this, madam. If you have a young daughter and she say, Mommy, I got meeting today in school and will not come home, you must not say yes, yes, but you must go and ask her where and why and who and find out today. Today, young people not to trust, young like young people in many years ago. Why are you telling this? Oh, madam, I tell you because I myself have a daughter. Oh, madam, a daughter love very much, and she is so good and study hard. And I see her report cards and her teacher write good works and excellent. So on. Oh, madam, she is my favorite child, and I asked her what she want to be after left school, and she says go to university. None of my other children could go to university, but this one, she's very smart and intelligent. No boasting, madam. Her teachers write good and excellent, so her report card she study at home, help the mother, but sometimes a little lazy, and she says teacher want her to go back to school to do extra work, extra coaching in her weak subject, which is math, madam. So I let her stay back in school, and day after day she come home in evening. Then she do her studies and go to sleep. Then one day, oh madam, it makes so angry even now. One day, I in taxi driving along, and hey, I see a girl looking like my Leichu with other girls and some European outside a coffee house, but I think it cannot be Leichu. How can Leichu in school and these girls all dressed up and make up and very bold in their behavior? And this is not like daughter at all. When they go outside and coffee house, and my heart is very, how you describe it, madam? My heart is very susahati, and I say to myself, I will watch the later and see her monkey tricks rather. The very next day, she isn't there again. I stop my taxi, madam. So I am so angry. I rush up, so weak daughter, and catch her by the shoulders and neck, and slap her, and she scream, but I don't care. Then I drag her to my taxi and drive all the way home. At home, I trust the stupid food, and I beat her and slap her till I kill my wife, and some neighbors they pull me away, and I think they not pull me away are sure to kill that girl. I look up here in her room for 3 days, and I ashamed to tell her teachers. So I just tell the teachers that later is sick, so please excuse here. Oh madam, how you feel in my place? Make herself so cheap. With her father drive taxi all day to save money for the university. Is everything between you and your daughter okay now? What is it, madam? I said, everything between you and your daughter okay now? Yes, yes, everything okay now, and thank you. She cannot leave the house except go to school, and I told her mother always check everything she do and her friends what sort of faithful they are. Can you wait for me until my meeting is done? What, madam? Oh, sorry, madam. Cannot wait for you to finish your meeting. Must go off. Please excuse me. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry, madam. Must go off to tell Elroy there are plenty people to pick up, so very, madam. And thank you very much. Oh, that's okay. Here is the payment. Thank you for sharing your story to me. If you have a daughter, don't accept her trust. But you only do that when she wants to go out, just like my naughty daughter who really got caught. But for that, I scolded her so loud and I don't even care, so I just shout. So, that's the story. So, ang ganda ng storya, di ba? Halos ng kabataan ngayon is mayroon ng mga gadgets, di ba? Because of technology, ang daming mga pagbabago. Merong mga bagay na hindi na nila napapansin sa mga gawain noon. And then I hope kayo, sana po gawin nyo or mag-aral kayong mabuti, huwag kayong lumalabas na para gumala-gala, then always help your parents. Okay? So, any questions, clarifications, additions? If you don't have any questions, please open or click your learning path at www.gadsf.com to answer your activity and quiz. Thank you and God bless.